To create a table on myViewBoard, click on Shapes on the main toolbar. As you click here, there are a lot of shapes available to choose from. So let me choose the last option and choose the number of rows and columns according to my need. As I click here, my table is created. I can also add some data here. To add the text, let me click on T and enter my text here. So here I want to add name, class, roll number, and let's say the attendance. In this way, I have created a table which can help me to mark the attendance for my students.